Checking out the engine bay here. Just kind of scanning through some of that. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of this beautiful vehicle here. Got the white wheels. Just kind of scanning through that tire, looking around the edges. Got a lot of tread left. Got the blue paint here. Start here on the front. Headlight looks good. We got some runs in the paint, small little chips. Overall though, it looks good. This is nice and clean. Looking at that blue paint. Got some little scuffs. Looks good though. Here on the hood, tiny little scuffs, typical swirls. Got a little bit of wear on that vent. Got some runs in the paint. Door's solid. I'm looking at the bed. Just kind of scanning through those panels. They all look really nice. We'll get underneath here. It looks really good. That wheel's in good condition. Got some good tread left there. I'll try to get under here. That mirror looks nice. Glass is super clean. The door looks good. Blue paint. All of that looks good. Once again, kind of looking at all the wood. Wood's in great condition. This little slat here, this piece slides up and out. Let's see in there. Get underneath her here. Looks really nice. All right, looking at the interior. Got some bubbles in the paint. A couple flaws here and there, but overall that looks great. Seats are faded in some spots, but they look good, nice and soft. The side looks good. Got the carpet here. Looking underneath, looks good. This is a cracked, chewed up pretty good. That window looks nice. You can pop it out. Ceiling looks good. Here on this panel, of course you're gonna have little cracks in some spots, but that looks good. Seat looks nice, carpet's clean. Such a cool vehicle. All right, we're going for a drive here. I got it in third gear. She's bumping. Hitting the brakes. They are a little mushy.